She was from
So guys, come in front of me to ask me questions. This is not for you. Pooja, you come here. Pooja, you can come here and ask me all questions. I'm going to ask you. And you just sit like a classrooms. Sit like a classroom in front of me. Please. Stand up. Arrange the stool like this. This is your responsibility, Maya, I'm telling you. This is your responsibility. Try to do this stool as a classroom and you have to sit in front of me. I'm just giving a chance to ask you many type of questions. Sit like a classrooms, please. Sit like a classroom. I gave you chance to do self practice and now I have seen that you have done it. And now it's a time to ask me more questions. I'm here to reply you all questions. Hurry up. And now think that you are getting a chance to ask me questions. To ask the superpowers questions. Judge yourself how much I have been studying for 3 months. Maya, you have to look on the board. Okay. Now I'm giving chance to ask me more questions one by one. Who's asking me first? Don't think that it's the time of Maya. Don't think that it's the time of Sanket. Sanket has done it. Now it's my chance. No, don't allow anyone to ask any questions. You don't allow anyone to ask a question. If you have more question like Ashish, I'm missing Ashish because he was not like you. He doesn't care about you. He asks many questions. He doesn't care about you that now Tripti will ask, then after that I will ask. No, he doesn't care about it. Does he do like this? Does he do like this? I'm talking about Ashish. Does he think about you? No, he doesn't think. He doesn't think about you. He thinks about himself that I have come here to ask me more questions. My mother paid 5,000 rupees for me. So why am I worrying about you? But now, here, in place of that, you are worrying about your classmates. Okay, I have asked one question. Now, Tripti, it's your turn. Now, Divya, I have done it. Now, you. You don't have to ask anyone. You have to ask yourself. Now, I'm allowing you to ask me more questions. From Sanket, start. You have studied many structures. And now I'm giving you a chance to ask me more questions.
Question structures related, right?
Yes, related to your structure, everything. Feel like that you have learned how to speak in English and now you're going to ask me, you are going to talk to me in English. You can ask me in every matter. Oh, okay. I'm not going to say that Sanket will ask. Who wants to do practice? Ask me.
So when you come in the class, you bring many water bottles. with you. So why are you bringing water bottles?
Why not bringing? That why bringing?
Why? Why you bringing water bottles?
Because I have seen many times that I remember that day there are three girls and they were very thirsty, and I went to my home, and when I came back I saw that they are going to shop. I asked them, "Ki, where are you going?" They said me that we are going to shop, but I don't know ki, why did they go there. But after 5 minutes they come after having a water packets with her. So I realized that time ki I should keep bottles also, because there are many hotness inside and people can be thirsty. That's why from that day I bring bottle with me. Any questions you have? Related your structure, Izema, do, does, did, whatever. See the face of each other. See face of each other, then you will realize which type of questions. And Nikita, Maya, don't allow them. संकेत, आप क्वेश्चन करो, जितना आता उतना क्वेश्चन करो मुझसे. कोई भी क्वेश्चन करो.
Who am I?
You are Aditya.
What am I?
You are a student.
Whom with am I?
You are alone.
Whose brother am I?
You are brother of Sanket.
Where from am I?
You are from Kanpur.
What can you speak?
I can speak everything. What you will say to me to speak?
Why am I?
You are here to learn English like them. Nikita,
Where from am I?
you are from Kanpur. I just have told you. Divya, you have many structure. You have running structure, do, does, did, can.
What did you see?
I show that you are not speaking anything.
What am I doing?
You are just asking me question. Sunil sir.
What are you doing and what are you doing?
I'm doing it alone. I don't believe anyone, and I'm just giving a chance to ask me so that you can remove your agitation.
In which school am I?
You are in NRV, Nirmala Rani Vidyalaya. Sanket. Make a story, then ask. Make a story. Try to make a story. You know, sir, I saw you in the market. You are with someone. Who was the boy who was sitting in front of you?
What were I doing?
You were beating Tripti.
What do you speak? What do you speak?
I speak that you should not sit like this silent. You should ask me many questions. फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से आपके पास जनरल क्वेश्चंस भी हैं आपके पास, इंट्रोडक्शन के क्वेश्चंस भी हैं. यू हैव मेनी मोर क्वेश्चंस.
Why is she?
She is here to beat you because for a long time you have not been speaking. Nikita,
Whom is she?
she is alone.
So where from is she? At afternoon, I saw you in the market. You buying a vegetable. Then suddenly Nikita comes in front of you, and you saw her, but suddenly you ignored her. Can I ask you why?
Because that time I was with my mom and I don't involve personal matter into professional matter. That time she was just forcing me to talk with her on the way, and I was not like this. That I show my mom that she is my student, and on the way she is talking to me. That's why I behaved like this. That I don't know her.
Okay.
I know that she felt very bad, but after that I said sorry by sending a text message in WhatsApp.
Then what's her reply?
She said it's okay, sir.
Okay.
What can you teach?
I can teach everything. Ask me what should I teach. And if you are not being able to ask me, just take a water inside and just close your nose in the eyes and die. Because for a long time you have been doing practice with each other. And now it's a time. Now see like this atmosphere. This atmosphere I am going to hell every day, and I will give you mic also to speak in front of me. Let me bring a mic, and that can be available from tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes. You will have a mic. In mic you have to speak that.
Okay, we will waiting.
We will wait.
We will wait.
Nikita, I'm forcing you to ask me some question. Make a story. You can do it. I know that you can do it. You are not just like Srishti. Tripti, you can also do it. Make a story, then ask me like her. Give me another story. Now watch her. How is she presenting her story? Then she asks me.
When you saw outside, suddenly Roshita is going just then you saw her. So you
The word is inside you.
you called her that Roshita come here. So why you called her?
Because she is my ex-student and I know that. You know also better than me, she is a good speaker in English. So many times when I get chance, I want to make a video with her to show the people, look the girl, how is she is studying in 10th standard only. However, she knows how to speak English properly. So she can be the inspiration for you. That's why I always make her to make video with me. And I also, you also know this, that you get inspiration by looking her ki how is she studying in only 10th standard, how is she speaking in English, and I should learn something from her. And you always, whenever you get a time, you want to spend your sometimes with her. I have seen you also when you go from home, when you go from here, you see that she is free, then you talk with her for a few minutes and you go. So my question is for you, why do you spend some time with her?
Because I want to know. Because I want to know how she talking with me and how her idea and how she's speaking with me, and I learn something.
Okay, I know
from
that
her.
it's the first time for you that you are facing me like this. So you are facing agitation, you are facing a lot of agitation, and I can see that, her face. I can see your face. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? Who will answer me? Why are you learning English, Mr. Sanket?
I'm learning English for presenting ourselves in any field like a job.
But are you doing that? So, for many times I am forcing you to speak something. So day by day you can remove your agitation. No, you think so that Sunil sir has a medicine, and after ending the class, he will give me medicine, then I will take it, and I will be the Shaktiman. Tripti, why are you learning English? Why am I teaching? I have the clear concept. Why am I teaching? Because I get salary for this. I have a clear concept in my mind. Why am I teaching this? Because I get salary for this. But why are you learning? Why are you learning? Tell me. Clear your concept. भाई मैं उस काम को क्यों कर रहा हूँ, वो क्लियर ही नहीं है. वो काम आपके पास नहीं आएगा. मैं आज अपने काम को अच्छे से कर पाता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मेरे पास क्लियर विज़न है. क्यों करूँ? वाई शुड आई डू दिस वर्क? मैं क्यों करूँ? मैं इस काम को क्यों करूँ? उधर क्या देख रहे हो? मेरे से पूछो. मैं इस काम को क्यों करूँ? वो दोनों कंप्यूटर पर बैठे हुए हैं ना, उनके पास विज़न क्लियर है. वो उस काम को क्यों कर रहे गुड़िया? उस काम को, उसी काम को क्यों कर रहे हो जो दिया हूँ मैं?
प्रैक्टिस करना है, इससे हम और करके
आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. उनका विजन क्लियर है. वाई शुड आई डू दिस वर्क? इस काम को क्यों करूं? मैं इस काम को क्यों करूं? बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग सैलरी फॉर दिस. मुझे 50,000 प्लस 15,000 कंप्यूटर का 65,000 सैलरी मिलती है मुझे हर महीने की. मेरे पास विजन क्लियर है. वाई शुड आई दिस वर्क? बिकॉज आई गेट सैलरी फॉर दिस. वाई आर यू डूइंग दिस वर्क? टेल मी. Nikita, why are you learning English?
Sir, what
Hmm.
are you doing?
Just I am encouraging you. Sanket,
What are they doing?
they are just sitting only and looking my face. I said you to ask me one question. You remembered 7 question of introduction. Ask me one question. Okay, you ask me all question of introduction. Yes, I am saying you, Garima. Ask me. पूछो. इंट्रोडक्शन के क्वेश्चन पूछो. चलो पूछो.
What's your name?
My name is Sunil. By profession, I'm an English teacher.
In which class do you student?
Study. I don't study in the class. I study in college. Nikita. What, sir? Today you joined. Are you new student like them? They are new student. However, they replied me. However, मतलब
However, फिर भी
हाँ, they are new student. However, they replied me. वे नए लोग हैं, फिर भी उन्होंने मुझे जवाब दिया ना. But you are a senior. For a long time you have been attending this class. However, you are not replying to me. Nikita, do you come here to become a statue? What is the meaning of a statue? What is the meaning of statue?
statue, good, putla.
Putla, Murti. Then do you come here to become a statue from your house? कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर में वहाँ? हैव टू में पहुँच गए? हैड टू में पहुँच गए? वाह, व्हाट अ फैंटास्टिक. आस्क मी वन क्वेश्चन.
Which are you doing?
I'm going there with my spouse. What does the meaning of spouse?
Spouse.
It's a synonyms of wife.
Okay. Wife.
In biodatas and many more official letters, wife is not mentioned there. Spouse are mentioned there. Divya, in doodles mode you have to ask me one question.
So at yesterday, one girl was falling down outside of the class. You saw her, but you couldn't go there for save her.
Saving her.
Saving her. So are you busy? Were you busy in your work? That's why you don't.
No. Actually, I didn't want to go there to save her because she was a daughter of my enemy.
Oh.
And I'm not interested for talking and for doing anything for them. Because before 5 years I used to do everything for them, but they deceived me. They cheated me. All family members cheated me. That's why I'm not interested to talk with them. And I decided from that day that what they will do, I don't care about that. That's why I didn't. I know you understood like this that I am a very cruel man, but I'm not interested in doing that.
So who is your enemy? Can I know his name?
Well, I think I should give you mirror to see your face. How are you looking in here like right now? You know, just liking that you are doing something wrong and I caught you. See your face. Rakhi, you are doing something wrong. आप कुछ गलत कर रहे थे, मैंने आपको पकड़ लिया. वैसे चेहरे बना के रखे हो सबके सब.
What is he doing?
You can see why are you asking me about that. Now you tell me what is he doing. Sanket, it's a time to war. For a long time you are doing practice with yourself. काफी समय से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे ना. अभी क्या बॉर्डर पे बैठा दिया हूँ. Now fight with me. Who can fight with me? Hands up. Who can fight with me? Hands up. Who can fight with me? कौन है जो मुझसे लड़ सकता है? कौन? दिव्या, hands up. Who has the power to fight with me in English? Nobody has the power.
What are you speaking?
Good. Clap for her, please. Clap for her clearly. Good, Arhaj. Now say me question.
What are you speaking?
I'm speaking that you are looking like a thief. You are looking like a thief. Do you know what is the meaning of thief?
Sure.
Chor.
But why?
Because chor always steal the things, and when he caught, then make a face like this that he has done something wrong. Are you doing something wrong to ask me question? Are you doing something wrong? क्या आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो? आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो? Nikita, I'm asking to you. Are you doing something wrong? Yes. गलत कर रहे हो ना कुछ? क्या गलत कर रहे हो? सिंपल सा रनिंग का आपका क्वेश्चन है. मैंने हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सामने किया. मैंने बोला आर यू डूइंग, क्या तुम कर रही हो. आर यू डूइंग समथिंग, क्या तुम कुछ कर रही हो. आर यू डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, क्या तुम कुछ गलत कर रही हो. नो सर, आई एम नॉट डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, मैं कुछ गलत नहीं कर रही हूँ. देन व्हाई आर यू मेकिंग फेस लाइक दिस. डू डज का क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, डिड का क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो, कैन का क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. क्वेश्चन कितने प्रकार से होते हैं. दो. आइदर पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सेंटेंस टू नो यस या नो. आइदर मतलब या तो. वी हैव टू वेज टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन. वेज मतलब रास्ते. वी हैव टू वेज टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन. दो रास्ते हैं हमारे पास. या तो मतलब आइदर. आइदर पुट मतलब रखना. आइदर पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. या तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब को कहाँ रखो, सेंटेंस के सामने. किस लिए. टू नो यस या नो. किस लिए. टू नो. नो मतलब जानने. टू नो यस या नो, यानी कि यस या नो जानने के लिए क्या करना है. पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. जस्ट लाइक दैट आई आस्क्ड यू निकिता, आर यू डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग. हियर आई वांटेड टू नो यस या नो ओनली. मैंने क्या किया, आर को सामने किया ना आपके. तो आर यू डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, इट मीन्स आई पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन फ्रंट ऑफ सेंटेंस. व्हाई. टू नो यस या नो. तो यू कुड हैव सेड देयर, आप बोल सकती थी ना वहाँ पे. कुड हैव का प्रयोग सकता थी आता है ना. तो यू कुड हैव सेड देयर, आप वहाँ बोल सकती थी नो सर आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. वेल सर फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम सिटिंग लाइक दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. एक्चुअली सर मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे आपके सामने बैठी हूँ. दैट्स वाई, इसलिए आई एम फीलिंग हेजिटेशन. मुझे कैसा लग रहा है, हिचकिचाहट लग रहा है. बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज स्पेंड माई ऑल टाइम विद माई क्लासमेट्स. आई नेवर सिट लाइक दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दैट्स वाई आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल. आई एम फॉरगेटिंग माई ऑल सेंटेंसेस इन माइंड. आई एम नॉट मेकिंग एनी वर्ड्स. आई एम नॉट मेकिंग एनी सेंटेंसेस इन माइंड. सो आइदर पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. या तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सामने रखो, या उसी हेल्पिंग वर्ब के सामने क्या लगा दो, व्हाट हाउ लगा दो. अगर मैंने बोला दिव्या कि आप मुझसे डू डज में क्वेश्चन करिए, तो मैं आपके लिए यू हूँ, तो डू यू बोल के नहीं पूछ सकते आप मुझसे. सर डू यू ऑलवेज टीच, क्या आप हमेशा पढ़ाते हो. डू यू गो टू गार्डन, क्या आप गार्डन जाते हो. डू यू हिट हर, क्या आप उसे मारते हो. यस या नो के लिए तो आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सामने रख सकते थे ना किसी भी स्ट्रक्चर में. अगर WH नहीं लगाने आ रहा तो यस या नो का तो क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. और लगे कि यस या नो पूछने आता है तो उसी डू यू नो में व्हाट डू यू नो, हाउ डू यू नो बोलने में क्या जाता है तुम्हारा. तो चलो आप समझ में आ गया क्या करना है. या तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सामने रखो उस स्ट्रक्चर में जिस स्ट्रक्चर का सवाल आप करना चाहते हो, या उसी के सामने WH. तो मैं वन बाय वन आई एम गोइंग टू फोर्स यू. यस टेल मी वंस अगेन आस्क मी क्वेश्चन. आरोही, आपके पास रनिंग का मैं डू डज है, डीड है. या तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सामने रखने वाला सवाल करोगे, या तो WH को सामने रखने वाला सवाल करोगे. एंड नाउ सी आफ्टर दिस टाइप ऑफ मीटिंग्स I just myself I'm not feeling well that I taught you, and on behalf that you are not being able to speak to me. I'm missing Roshita. If Roshita would be there, she would reply me properly. Arohi,
How do you speak?
I speak always by standing in front of you all. या तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सामने रख के सवाल करो अपने स्ट्रक्चर में, या तो WH लगा के सवाल करो. Who spoke? Oh, say.
It's about last evening. After the class, when I went Andachok, I saw Ritika, who standing in front of the shop. I called her, she heard. However, she didn't reply me. So can you ask
What
her?
do you tell me? Sorry, which name did you tell me?
Ritika.
Ritika. Do I know her?
Yeah, it's your student.
Oh, does he come in the morning batch?
Yes. So can you ask her and yeah.
Means you are saying me to ask her why did she behave like this with you?
Yes.
Oh, according to you, she was standing near Andachok,
Yeah.
and you were just behind of her.
Yeah. Then I called her.
But she didn't talk to you, and she ignored you.
She heard, but she ignored, and she went from there.
Yeah, I knew the stories. According to her, I asked her about that. Did you do like this job with Maya? Then she said me, yes sir, because Maya is very arrogant. She never talks with me in the class, and whenever she comes to you to do practice, you always ignore her and you always talk with Divya. So my question is that you started first time, that's what she also doing with you.
No, sir. I don't.
According to her, I'm not saying this that you are arrogant. According to her, she
So,
said like
you
this.
didn't ask that why are you saying like this?
I asked many types of questions that Maya is not like this because I know from my childhood, since childhood I know her that she has long time, she has been studying in my class for a long time. She's not like this. You are telling me lie. Then she said me, no sir, last time on Saturday when she was studying with Tripti, I also thought that I should go there and talk with her. Then when I went there, they didn't talk to me. That's why I thought that she's arrogant.
Yeah, last Saturday she came in front of me and she started talking with me, but she didn't talk in her structure. She talked with
Means she has
other
proved that she
subject.
has given 5,000 rupees here.
She talked with other subject. Then I said her that please talk in structure about.
Don't take care of all that. Do you take care of that? Don't take care about all of that. Because you have come here, you have paid your 5,000 rupees. Have you no story like her? Have you a story like her?
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course, tell me. Now see yourself from this class. From this class, see yourself where are you in studies. You show me that you study a lot, but when I ask you, you have no questions. क्या प्रैक्टिस करते हो रे बिहारी बाबू?
Sir,
हाँ,
how are you?
आई एम वेरी नाइस.
How is she?
She is very duffer. All of you duffer, except Maya.
How is he?
He is mental. Nikita, I never expected this from you. First time I said you to ask me questions. Arohi, have you no questions?
What can you speak?
I can speak everything.
Sir, how did you spend in your time today?
How did you spend my time? I spent my all time asking question to every student like this. I set them to sit in front of me and ask me question which you have studied up till now. Nikita, have you fast? Have you fast today? That you have promised yourself that I will not reply any questions of sir. अभी तो बताया हेल्पिंग आपको सामने रखो या तो डब्ल्यूएस क्वेश्चंस लगाओ. अभी तो बताया.
Where do you live?
I live in Australia.
How many members in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
So suppose now this time suddenly your daughter comes here in the class and she said that Papa, let's go market. Then what will you do?
Obviously I leave this class and I would like to spend my all time with her because I give my first priority to my family.
Okay.
If my boss will say to me also that if you are interested to spend your all time with your family, then spend your all time with family. You don't need to come from tomorrow. Then I will be happy because I know my talent. If he will rusticate me for me, if he will rusticate from this place, I will start my own classes.
Sir, what does your father do? What does your father do?
Actually, he is no more. He was a driver. What I said, Maya said to me that. So I said you that if my boss will cry over me that why do you spend your all time with your family, why don't you concentrate in the class? So only because of doing these activities, if he will rusticate me, rusticate मतलब
हटा दे.
हटा देना. Because you said me, who asked me question, whom do I spend my time? Who asked me question? You said me.
Yeah.
You said me that your daughter, if your daughter comes here
Yes.
and said that Papa, let's go to the market, so would you like to go with her or not? So obviously I would like to go with her to leave this class. Go to hell this class. I don't care about that because I know my talent. I can say with confidence because I know my talent. Why don't you make your talent?
So what?
I'm saying that if my boss will rusticate me for me, I'm not worried about that because I know my talent. I don't care about that. With this confidence, I teach you. With this confidence, I get 65,000 salary. With this confidence, I know this. If he will investigate for me, don't worry. I'm not worry about that. I will start my own classes. So I have a quite confidence. Have you confidence about that? ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया मेरे अंदर? कहाँ से आया? मेरे को अगर भगा भी देगा ना तो भी कोई गम नहीं है. 65,000 की सैलरी चली भी जाए तो भी कोई गम नहीं है. कैसे आया कॉन्फिडेंस ये?
What does your mother do?
चुप रहे. मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ मैं? सिर्फ क्या नाम है? राखी. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर मेरा बॉस यहाँ से भगा भी दे तो मेरी 65,000 की सैलरी चली जाएगी तो मुझे कोई चिंता नहीं है, कोई वरीड नहीं है. क्यों?
क्योंकि आपके पास
मेरे पास टैलेंट है. कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे है? क्योंकि मेरे पास टैलेंट है. वो टैलेंट आप क्यों नहीं लेके आ रहे हो? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है. मैं उसी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ पढ़ाता हूँ कि मुझे पता है कि वो मुझे भगा भी देगा ना तो आई नो माई टैलेंट. आई कैन स्टार्ट माई ओन क्लासेस.
So she called you.
What?
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading newspaper. Sometimes I spend my times with my daughters only. I teach everything there.
What do you teach?
I teach that what is the world and what is society. I don't teach that what is written in notebook, what is written in the book. I teach the world's nature and society's nature. How is the world? I show them the real world. Means I am also telling you that all knowledges of books you will forget one day. All knowledges of books you will forget one day when you will complete your study. But the world's knowledge and society knowledge will help you every time. So I am telling you, that is called in दुनियादारी. That will help you in future. बुक्स की इन्फॉर्मेशन तो हम भूल जाएंगे ना. हम भूल जाएंगे कि हड़प्पा संस्कृति में क्या हुआ था. हम भूल जाएंगे कि कौन सी जाति प्रजाति आई थी उस समय. हम भूल जाएंगे कि अकबर ने कितने साल तक राज किया था. That will not help us, but the talent will help you to grow up. So Sanket, this is also talent based. I am saying your mass communication. This is called mass communication. Means you are getting a chance. Have you seen Yami Gautam? Have you heard the name Yami Gautam? Don't know? Let me remind you. She is a text which shows the value of Fair and Lovely. Now reminded? So what does she do there in this advertisement? What does she do there in that advertisement? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मैं क्या बाबा रामदेव हूँ तो लेक्चर सुना रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम टेलिंग यू द वैल्यू ऑफ योर फेस वैल्यू. I first of all I asked you, do you know the name of Yami Gautam? You said me no, we don't know. So I reminded you, the girl who comes in the television for advertisement about Fair and Lovely. Now reminded? Have you seen the girl? So now let me know, what does she do there? What does she do there? कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर का है? Have to स्ट्रक्चर का कौन सा? हाँ? Doodles क्या ना? In that advertisement, what does she do there? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me what does she do in that advertisement? What does she do there? Mr. Sanket.
She promoted Fair and Lovely
Means what does she do? She has an axe in her hand. She has an axe. Then she fallen down in the soul. Then bring a lot of sweetness. No, she speaks only.
Yeah.
What does she do? This is the product, and this
Yeah.
helps like this, like this, like this. How much salary she gets per month? Do you know? Do you know her salary per month? She communicates only. She shows her power of speaking. 1 crore रुपए means yearly 12 crore रुपए Fair and Lovely companies provide her to speak this only sentence. And let me remind you another example. Have you seen the girls who tells about Airtel scene, the baby cutting girl. Have you seen that girl? What does she do there?
With us.
She also shows the power of 4G network of Airtel. Does she do hard work there? No, she speaks only. She also gets per month 1 crore rupees. Meant 12 crore rupees yearly from Airtel company. So now I'm telling you the power of speaking, but you are not speaking. I don't know why. What will be the happen, Nikita? What will be the happen if you do mistake? क्या होगा अगर गलती हो जाएगी तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? अगर गलती हो भी गई बोलने में दिव्या तो क्या हो जाएगा? आपको ऑक्सफोर्ड के नियम के अनुसार सबके सामने फांसी लगा दिया जाएगा. Is it like this? So why are you fearing of speaking? Now once again I am giving her to ask me more question. Okay, start once again. Start.
Sir, I have one question. Sir, my friends planning for wandering some places. Can you suggest a best place?
Well, I born in Bapu Nagar, Sector 11, Jontu Kusi Farvilai, and from that place I never went anywhere, so I can't guide you anything about that. Okay. Adit,
What does your mother do?
she is a housewife. She doesn't do anything. She helps me in domestic work. Tripti.
How do you eat?
It's easy to question. I eat by sitting. I eat by sitting on the table with my family and with having a spoon in the hand.
How many did you eat?
I always eat with my family. I don't eat alone. Nikita, make it large. Sir, when use a connector in your sentence. When do you get up? How do you help your wife? Sir, when do you get up? जब आप उठते हो आप अपनी वाइफ की हेल्प कैसे करते हैं? कनेक्टर्स लगाओ ना. यूज अ कनेक्टर्स विद योर सेंटेंस. ये क्या? What are you doing? How does she do? Why does she fight? Make a large question with the help of connectors like when मतलब जब. Sir, when you teach her, she doesn't listen you. Then what do you do? Sir, when you teach her, sir, जब आप उसे पढ़ाते हो, she doesn't listen, वो सुनती नहीं है. Then what do you do? फिर आप क्या करते हो sir? Make a large question with the help of conjunction. When हो गया, when from हो गया, because of हो गया, but हो गया, सब conjunction है ना. Nikita, if you will not speak that, I will throw this on your face. 1, 2. Within 10 seconds, if you won't ask me any question, I will throw this on your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ask me. Yes, you can do it. And I can see your face. You are just fearing. I'm not only saying, the whole world will see your face. Look, the girls of Oxford English, they are not speaking English. Only the Maya will presented herself like a Yami Gautam, and I don't know the names of girls who comes in Airtel. हाँ, कल्पना चावला, आप बोलिए. देखो मैं एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ, सुनो. Have you heard the story of गुब्बारे वाला? आपको बताया था?
Maybe.
कौन सा? रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे हवा में छोड़ता है. सुने हो? नहीं सुने हो? ठीक है, सुन लो. एक गुब्बारे वाला था, ठीक है. तो वो क्या ना, अपना गुब्बारा ना जब नहीं बिकता था तो रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे हवा में ऐसे छोड़ देता था. तो बच्चे उसको देख करके जिद करते थे अपने पेरेंट्स को कि मुझे भी चाहिए ऐसे करके. तो हर बार अपनी बिक्री बढ़ाने के लिए वो यही तरीका अपनाता था. जब जब उसका लगता था कि मेरा सेल डाउन हो रहा है, बहुत सारे रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे हवा में छोड़ देता था, तो उसकी बिक्री बढ़ने लगती थी. उसकी इस हरकत को एक बच्चा रोज़ ऑब्जर्व करता था, डेली ऑब्जर्व करता था कि ये गुब्बारे वाला अंकल ना ऐसे ही करते हैं, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे जिद करते हैं, उनका गुब्बारा बिकने लगता है. तो एक दिन बच्चे के मन में सवाल आया. वो सवाल ये था कि अंकल आप, मैं देखता हूँ कि आप रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे हवा में छोड़ देते हो, क्या काला रंग का गुब्बारा भी छोड़ोगे तो क्या इन्हीं गुब्बारों की तरह वो भी हवा में उड़ेगा? बच्चे का सवाल समझ में आया? गधों, बच्चे ने क्या सवाल पूछा?
काला रंग गुब्बारा।
रुक जाओ, बच्चे ने क्या सवाल पूछा निकिता?
क्या काले रंग का गुब्बारा भी हवा में छोड़े तो ये भी
जोर से बोलो। इसी को बोलते हैं डांसिंग स्किल। जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ आई एम गिविंग चाइल्ड टू स्टैंड अप, स्टैंड अप देयर, पार्टिसिपेट किया करो। हारना जितना क्या है यार, आज गिरोगे 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 गिरोगे, एक हफ्ते के बाद इसी क्लास को तुम प्रेजेंट करते हुए नजर आओगे। कल माइक लाने दो, सब के सब एंकर बनोगे यहाँ पे। चलो बताओ, जाना है आपको? मैम जाना है क्या इनको?
आर्यन को भेज दो।
जाओ, तो प्रैक्टिस करके बना लिया ना इसको। हाँ ना, दोनों प्रैक्टिस करना ना, सेम ही मुझे बचाओ, डोंट सेम ही मुझे मत बचाओ। एक बार हाँ एक बार ना, कल टेस्ट लूँगा। जाओ। बच्चे का सवाल क्या था मिस निकिता?
क्या काले रंग का गुब्बारा भी हवा में छोड़े तो वो भी उड़ेगा?
बाकी गुब्बारों की तरह वो भी उड़ेगा, ऐसा सवाल था। तो गुब्बारे वाले ने बोला कि गुब्बारा अपने रंग के कारण नहीं उड़ रहा है। बच्चे ने रंग भेद दिखाया ना। बच्चे का सवाल था क्या काला रंग का गुब्बारा भी अगर आप छोड़ोगे तो इन्हीं रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारों की तरह उड़ेगा? तो गुब्बारे वाले ने क्या कहा? तृप्ति, दिस इज कॉल्ड बी हियर फिजिकली एंड मेंटली बोथ। इसको कहा जाता है कि शरीर यहाँ पे है तो ध्यान भी यही रखो। मैं तो अभी आंसर बताया गुब्बारे वाले ने क्या कहा। आप बताइए गुब्बारे वाले ने क्या कहा? देखो आपका आईक्यू लेवल जो अभी पढ़ाया गया वो नहीं बता पा रहे हो। दिव्या, गुब्बारे वाले ने क्या कहा?
गुब्बारे वाले ने कहा वो रंग बिरंगी देख के नहीं उड़ता है
वो बोला कि गुब्बारा अपने रंग के कारण नहीं उड़ रहा है, अपने गुण के कारण, जो उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज भरी हुई है। प्रॉपर्टीज मतलब क्या होता है? गुण। कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज भरी हुई है उसमें? गुब्बारे के अंदर कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज भरी हुई है? हीलियम गैस कहलाता है। हीलियम गैस, जो बड़े से सिलेंडर लिए रहते हैं ना हम लोग, हीलियम नाइट्रोजन गैस होती है जिसे भरते हुए हवा में उड़ता है। तो गुब्बारा अपने रंग के कारण उड़ रहा है क्या? उसमें भरी हुई प्रॉपर्टीज गुण के कारण ना। सेम बातें आप पे भी लागू होती है। कौन बड़ा है, कौन छोटा है, कौन काला है, कौन गोरा है, कौन अमीर है, कौन गरीब है, उससे कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। उसके अंदर का जो गुण है वो उसको आगे लेके जाएगा, खाने वाला गुण नहीं। बैठ जाओ। इस स्टोरी के बाद भी अगर कल से एटीट्यूड दिखाना तो भगा दूंगा सबको क्लास से। अरे मैं क्या करूँगा, खुद से लेके खूब पढ़ रहा हूँ। जब पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है आपके पास, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है आपके पास। ठीक है, अब कम से कम मुझसे सवाल नहीं कर सकते, माया से तो सवाल कर सकते हो, सवाल कर सकते हो। ओके माया, सिट देयर एंड show them face. Yes. Just stand up, leave this chair and you come here. Take this stool, keep this there and sit there. And you have to sit in front of them by showing your face. You also go in front of them to ask a question. देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, सुनो। मैं वो नॉलेज भर दूंगा लेकिन वो कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से लेके आऊँगा मैं? वो कॉन्फिडेंस तो आपको लेके आना पड़ेगा ना। आई कैन गिव यू एटमोसफेयर ओनली, मैं सिर्फ माहौल दे सकता हूँ, नॉलेज दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन वो कॉन्फिडेंस तो आपको लाना पड़ेगा ना। और सुनो, दो तरह के लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि मैं सीख जाऊँगा तो बोलूँगा, मैं सीख जाऊँगा तो, और एक बोलता है नहीं मैं बोलते रहूँगा तो सीख जाऊँगा। कौन सा अच्छा है? सीख जाऊँगा तो तीर मारूंगा तो दिन कभी नहीं आएगा, मत इंतजार करना। आपको ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं, पूजा, ये मत सोचना कि मेरा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं हुआ। जितना वो उसी में क्वेश्चन करने की आदत बनाऊंगी ना मैं, आदत तो खुद से डालना पड़ेगा ना मेरे को सवाल जवाब करने की। आदत कौन देगा? सुनील सर थोड़े देंगे आदत। आदत की कोई कैप्सूल आती है क्या? ये लोग आदत आ जाएगी? आदत क्या, अभी से आपको आदत बनानी पड़ेगी ताकि जब मेरा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो तो यही आदत सभी जगह खुशबू बिखेरेगा ना। आदत कहाँ से लाओगे कोर्स हो जाने के बाद? आदतें एक दिन में बनती हैं क्या? आदत तो शुरुआत से बनानी पड़ेगी ना। तो माया इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, नाउ यू हैव टू आस्क हर क्वेश्चन। स्टार्ट नाउ। माया रिप्लाई देम। You also sit in front of her and ask her question. Go. Yes, sit in front of her and ask her question. Now you are not talking to me, you are talking to Maya. Maya, now this is your batch, this is your class. Encourage them and if they will do mistake, rebuke them also. Okay, अब माया से तो पूछो. I am not here. Thing like this, Sunil sir is not here. And this is called personality development class. सुनो गरिमा, family background याद करके आना. There are 2 members in my family. My father's name is Mr. Premchand Kshatriya, and he was a fitter. And my mother's name is Mrs. Sonia Kshatriya, and she is a beautician. I have no brothers and sisters. That's all. That's all लगा देना वहाँ last में. Okay? Same on you. I never expected this from you. What do you do here? Whenever I give you chance to ask more questions, why don't you reply me? इंग्लिश किसके लिए सीख रहे हो? किसके लिए? दूसरों के लिए ना? कब आएगी आप? एक दिन में आ जाएगी क्या? बनाते बनाते आती है. आ गए स्ट्रक्चर लेने. क्या करोगे स्ट्रक्चर में? जाओ. I'm not going to stop you. Where am I stopping you? Because after a long time I said you to speak something, ask me question. But you didn't ask me. With keen interest. Keen मतलब? Interest के साथ. With keen interest you had to take part in this. You were, oh okay sir, for a long time I was waiting for this day. You are replying me. Because you always spend your time with others, but now you are spending your time with me. Let me ask more questions to Sunil. So let me realize that how is my English. रियलाइज़ कैसे होगा? सिर्फ प्रियंका से बात कर लोगे, पूजा से, दिव्या से बात कर लोगे तो रियलाइज़ हो जाएगा. हाँ, उन गधों से बात करके तुम होशियार समझते हो अपने आप को. अपने से बेहतर से बात करो तो पता चलेगा कि मैंने प्रैक्टिस करा है. जाओ. I never expected this from you. You hearted me today. सुनो, मैं कल क्या बताया था? अपने से गधों से बात करके हीरो बनने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. अपनी पढ़ाई पता कैसे चलेगा कि मेरी पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही है? अपने से बेहतर से बात करो. बाजू वाले से बात करके तो सोचते हो कि मैं डूडल्स में अच्छी हो गई, डीड्स में अच्छी हो गई. और देखो आज प्रेजेंटेशन लिया गया तो 0 सन्नाटा. अब आज से आप अपनी स्टडी हार्ड कर दो. ऐसा भी रोज़ ऑर्गेनाइज करूँगा. देखता हूँ कितने दिन चुप रहते हो. आरोही रीज है मारा आपके पास. डूड है, डीड है, मारो चला के सेंटेंस दीदी के सिर पे. पूछो निकिता, अंजलि, इधर सारे क्वेश्चन याद किए हो ना? पूछो इससे. हाँ क्या?
Where from are you reading? Where from are you reading? I'm reading just sitting on the table. Can you go? Yes, I can go. She's nice. How can you speak?
टेस्ट लिया था क्या?
No, sir. No, sir. How can you go? I can go by car.
तो ऐसे पर्सनालिटी को डेवलपमेंट करो ना. मतलब बॉडी लैंग्वेज के साथ बोलो उसको. स्पीक लाउडली. वो कैसे बोलती है? कैसे बोलती हो? ये फेयर एंड लवली है, आप यूज करिए, सुंदर हो जाओगे. अच्छा है, ऐसे बोलती है क्या? वो तो चिल्ला के बोलती है ना. ग्लो मीन्स ऐसे बोलती है ना. ग्लो मीन्स ग्लोइंग लवली से बोलती है ना. उसी के 12 करोड़ कमाती है. तो आप बॉडी लैंग्वेज यूज करो ना. कि माया दी, आई हैव सीन मेनी टाइम्स दैट यू ऑलवेज स्पेंड योर टाइम विद दिव्या. सो डू यू लाइक हर दैट शी लाइक्स यू एंड व्हाई डोंट यू लाइक अस? कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. माया दी, आई ऑलवेज हैव सीन, मैंने देखा है, या आई कैन सी एवरी टाइम दैट यू ऑलवेज स्पेंड योर टाइम विद दिव्या ओनली. सो डू यू लाइक हर दैट शी लाइक्स यू? व्हाई डोंट यू लाइक अस? आप उसको पसंद करते हो कि वो आपको पसंद करती हो? और आप हमें पसंद क्यों नहीं करते हो? वाई डोंट यू लाइक अस एंड वाई डोंट यू स्पेंड योर टाइम विद अस? वी आर नॉट लाइक हर. हम उसके जैसे नहीं हैं. वी आर आल्सो लाइक हर. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई डू लाइक दिस जॉब विद अस। लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता, हमें नहीं पता, वी डोंट नो, हमको नहीं पता व्हाई डू यू डू, आप क्यों करती हो। हाँ, चिल्ला करके बोलना है। चलो, यू हैव टू फाइट, झगड़ा करना है निकिता। यहाँ अच्छे बनने से काम नहीं चलेगा, यहाँ झगड़ालू बनो।
Why do you play?
पूरा बन गया, ठीक है। टेस्ट ले रहा हूँ, आपको टेस्ट देना।
और किसके साथ?
और क्या एंड लगा,
और के लिए क्या?
एंड नहीं मतलब और जो मैं लिखा हूँ उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करो और जो पूछा जा रहा है उसका आंसर दो। दो क्वेश्चन हैं। जितना बोला तो बन गया ना, उसका साउंड बताओ।
Who are we? तुम हम कौन है? Who are you? तुम कौन हो? Who are they? वे कौन है? Who are वह? नहीं। Who are he? वह कौन है?
ईज लगता है वो के साथ।
वह कौन है? Who is our? नहीं। Who is our?
हु इज आर नहीं लगता, आर किसके साथ लगता है? हाउ का साउंड बताइए।
How am I? मैं कैसे हूँ? मैं कैसे हूँ? How are we? हम कैसे हैं? How are you? तुम कैसे हो? How are they? वे कैसे हैं? How is she? How is he? वह कैसे हैं?
वह कैसा है?
हाँ, वह
ये
कैसा
दोनों
है?
बनाओ क्वेश्चन।
How is she? वह कैसे हैं? कैसा है? How is Peter? पूजा कैसा है?
कैसा है? पूजा लेडीज है कि जेंट्स है? सी में भी कैसा है बता दिए आप।
कैसे?
वेयर का साउंड बताइए।
Where is